Okay, so we've read the article, so let's do our review page. We're going to answer these 6 questions, and then we're going to try to repeat them in full sentences. So number 1, what is the paper about? What is the title of our article? Thanking hospital workers, Irwin family helps animals, sharing happiness. So remember, you've read all of these articles already, but which article are we reading this week? The title of our article this week is Thanking Hospital Workers.
Thanking hospital workers.
So we would say the paper is about thanking hospital workers. Number 2, who are helping sick people become healthy? Construction workers, lawyers, or hospital workers? Who are helping sick people become healthy? Hospital workers.
Hospital workers.
Hospital workers are helping sick people become healthy. So hospital workers include doctors, nurses, therapists, janitors, cleaning staff, cafeteria workers. All those people are working together to keep you healthy. Number 3, where do hospital workers work? Restaurants, clothing stores, or hospitals? Hospital workers work in hospitals.
Hospitals.
So yes, hospital workers work in hospitals where they work there in case someone is sick or injured. They will help you feel better. Number 4, what is May 10th to the 16th? Is it National Hospital Week, Shark Week, or National Library Week? It is National Hospital Week.
National Hospital Week.
And that's why we're reading about hospitals. Number 5, what may hospital workers give to sick people? Tickets, medicine, or pets? So what would a hospital worker give to someone who's not feeling well? Medicine.
Medicine.
We get medicine, maybe like Tylenol or some other prescribed medicine if we're not feeling well. So hospital workers give medicine to sick people. And I'll scroll up a little bit so you guys can see this. Number 6, who is not a hospital worker? Principal, nurse, cafeteria worker. Who is not a hospital worker? A principal.
Principal.
Principals do not work in hospitals. Principals work in schools. Mr. Truss is our principal.